Hi, my name is Jamie. I'm the owner of Perfect Home Restoration in Medina, Ohio. We're a restoration company that focuses on roofing, siding, gutters, and insurance restoration. Perfect Home Restoration is unique because we provide quality craftsmanship. We follow through with our customers. You can reach us at any point during the projects. You're going to know what to expect before we do any work on your home, and we treat your home like it's our own. We wouldn't do any work on a customer's home that we wouldn't be happy with doing on our own. All of our workmanship comes with a lifetime warranty. It's backed not only through us, but also through GAF. They're a national shingle manufacturer, and they stand behind our work as well. All of the guys that will be doing work on your home, I trust fully. I would have them do work on my home, and I know that you'll be happy with the work that they do on yours. I like pulling in a customer's driveway and seeing the potential in the home, and then taking them through the process and helping them pull it together, and seeing it at the end is just very rewarding. We look forward to working with you and providing you the quality service that we stand behind at Perfect Home Restoration. Give us a call today to set up a free estimate.